It's India Alliance fissures out in open, and that too in the national capital. AAP versus Congress battle is now being fought at the highest levels after Haryana Aam Aadmi Party versus Congress battle now comes to Delhi. In the Delhi polls, now the India bloc allies are sparring. Aam Aadmi Party has gone to the level of saying that the BJP is funding the Congress to cut the Aam Aadmi Party's vote. In fact, Chief Minister Atishi did a press conference today and said the Congress list is made in the BJP headquarters, and the BJP has made Congress political list, like the candidates list, to take on the Aam Aadmi Party. The Congress, in fact, has also gone ahead and said that the alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party in the 2024 Lok Sabha election was a mistake. Ajay Maken, in fact, called Arvind Kejriwal Farziwal. And this fight is going on. The Aam Aadmi Party has said that they will talk to other India Alliance partners to try and dislodge the Congress Party, the biggest component of the India Alliance, from the alliance itself. The BJP, rubbing their hands in glee in this fight, has said that the Aam Aadmi Party versus Congress fight is an admission of defeat. And it is the Soros which is funding, George Soros, the billionaire, which is funding both the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress.
अगर आप बाकी कांग्रेस पार्टी की प्रत्याशियों की सूची भी देखिएगा तो बिल्कुल शंका पैदा होती है कि यह सूची भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यालय में बनी है। इसलिए बनी है कि आम आदमी पार्टी के कुछ वोट काटे जाएं, क्योंकि कांग्रेस तो जीत नहीं सकती है। कांग्रेस पार्टी बीजेपी के साथ साठ गांठ कर रही है बीजेपी को दिल्ली में चुनाव जिताने के लिए। और अगर कांग्रेस की नेशनल पार्टी इस पूरे षड्यंत्र में दिल्ली कांग्रेस यूनिट के साथ नहीं है तो वो दिल्ली कांग्रेस यूनिट के नेताओं पर एक्शन ले, ये हमारी डिमांड है।
कांग्रेस ने मेरा ये मानना है कि हम लोगों से शायद अलायंस करके दिल्ली के अंदर दोबारा से हम लोगों से एक भूल हुई है, जिसको सुधारना जरूरी है। मैं कभी भी इस चीज का पक्षधर नहीं रहा हूं, ना था और ना रहूंगा कि केजरीवाल जैसे व्यक्ति के ऊपर भरोसा किया जा सकता है। केजरीवाल हिंदुस्तान की राजनीति के अंदर अपने खुद के एम्बिशंस को फुलफिल करने के लिए किसी भी एक्सटेंट तक के जा सकता है। उसकी कोई विचारधारा नहीं है, कोई सोच नहीं है।
मैं आरोप नहीं, तथ्य की बात करता हूं। साल भर पहले से बाकायदा फंड के अमाउंट के साथ जॉर्ज सोरोस ने घोषणा कर रखी है ना कि मैंने $1 बिलियन रखा है मोदी जी की सरकार को हटाने के लिए और उन्हें कमजोर करने के लिए। तो मुझे लगता है कि दोनों पार्टियों को जवाब देना चाहिए, क्योंकि यहां तो आरोप नहीं है, ये बयान है कि खबरों में बने रहने की चाहत में एक दूसरे के प्रति कितनी नफरत है, ये उनके बयान से साफ हो गई और इसके द्वारा उनकी पराजय की स्वीकारोक्ति भी साफ हो गई। यानी अपनी भावी पराजय का आधार बनाना आम आदमी पार्टी ने शुरू कर दिया।
Ishika, my colleague, now joins us with more details on this story. Ishika, even before the election dates are announced, all three parties going at each other. It's going to be a fascinating contest, isn't it?
Well, it is, in all sense, it is a high-stake battle this time, this election. It is a triangular context. In fact, the Aam Aadmi Party versus BJP, and now it is also Aam Aadmi Party versus the Congress. And we saw a very big allegation that came from the top leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party. Chief Minister Atishi herself, in fact, how she alleged, that the BJP is now funding the Congress to cut the votes of the Aam Aadmi Party in this election. And she also went on to warn the national leadership of the Congress Party that if they do not stand with the Delhi unit of the Congress over the remarks on the Aam Aadmi Party, it is better that they take action against, the Delhi unit leaders. This comes only after, we saw how Ajay Maken, a senior Congress leader, how he said and he attacked Arvind Kejriwal over the two schemes as well, well, the two flagship schemes, if we talk about Mahila Samman Yojana, and also went on to say that Arvind Kejriwal says things, does things only to remain in limelight. And, but the Congress party actually regrets, he himself, mentioned his name, saying that he also regrets, having a coalition with the, having an alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party. And after that, we did see that the Delhi Youth, Congress also went on to lodge a police complaint against Arvind Kejriwal over the public notice that was issued on the Mahila Samman Yojana. And today we are again seeing Sandeep Dixit, again senior leader of the Delhi Congress. He went to meet the Lieutenant Governor over this issue and in fact, raised his complaint with the Lieutenant Governor against Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party workers regarding the Mahila Samman Yojana. So now certainly the rift is all open and we still await, Ankit, what is very interesting here, that the national leadership of the Congress Party has not yet commented on this. So now Atashi, in fact, warning the national leadership of the Congress Party, it remains to be seen as to how they will be reacting to this, and that will certainly be very, very interesting and very, very important development as well, especially in this election. Over to you.